Okay, welcome to my channel, Journey of Mathematics. Today's topic is on type of matrix multiplication. This is TP Trivikram, Assistant Professor in Mathematics. Let us start our lecture. So in this lecture, I am going to explain matrix multiplication in three ways. Okay, so in general we use row and column multiplication. Okay, now I am going to teach how to do matrix multiplication using row multiplication, column multiplication, row and column multiplication. Okay, so let us start our lecture. So first I am going to explain what is row multiplication. So let us start. Okay, so here I have taken two matrices. First is matrix A and next is matrix B. So here I am going to apply row multiplication for these both matrices. Okay, so first thing you have to take is take the first row in the first matrix and multiply the elements of the first row in the first matrix with the rows of second matrix. So for example, here I am going to start the multiplication in this way. Here first row in the first matrix, take the first element here, 3. So 3 should be multiplied with 6 and 1. Keep it in a separate way. Okay. To complete this multiplication, take the second element in the first row and multiply with the second row of the second matrix. So now I am going to multiply 2 with 4 and 7. So with this multiplication, the complete first row multiplication is over. Okay. Now I have multiplied first element and second element of the first matrix. Now come down to second row in the first matrix. So still the multiplication is pending with the first matrix. Now the remaining elements are 5 and 1. Okay. Take 5 now. Okay. Multiply 5 with again first row of the second matrix, 6 and 1. So 5 into 6 and 5 into 1. Okay. Next, take addition in between this. Multiply 1 with 4 and 7. Okay. So here what and all I did is nothing but while multiplying with first row, first element multiply with first row of the second matrix, second element multiply with second matrix. Okay. So overall you will get the result as like this. So here I have taken 3 into 6 as 18, 2 into 4 as 8, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 7, 14, 5 into 6, 30, 1 into 4, 4, 5 into 1, 5, 1 into 7, 7. So if you simplify this, you will get this much. Okay. Now let us do column multiplication. Okay. So I am going to do column multiplication here. Okay. So as we have done row multiplication in the same way, observe these two matrices. First one is matrix A and second one is matrix B. Now let us apply column multiplication for these two matrices. Okay. So here the strategy is nothing but like in the row multiplication, I am taking first column in the first matrix. Okay. So multiply the first column of the first matrix with the first element in the first column of second matrix. That means let us see how I will multiply. Okay. So here I have taken first column of the first matrix into first element of the first column in the second matrix. That means 3 should be multiplied with 6, 5 should be multiplied with 6. Okay. So in this way you have to write. Next, plus. Still one more element left in the second matrix. So what I will do is, I will take the second column of the first matrix, multiply this column with 4. With this, column multiplication will be over for the first column in the second matrix. So let us apply. So what I did here, second column of the first matrix, I have multiplied with 4. Okay. So with this, column multiplication of the matrix is over for the first. Next, we are incomplete with the second column of the second matrix. Now apply the same logic for the second column. Okay. So what we need to do now? Take first column of the first matrix, multiply with the first element of the second column in the second matrix. Okay. So what I did, first column multiply with 8. That means 3 into 8, 5 into 8. 3 into 8, 5 into 8. Next, multiply the second column elements with the 7. So take the plus in between. Okay. So the result is this much. 3 into 6 is 18, 2 into 4, 8. Next, 3 into 8, 24, 2 into 7, 14, 5 into 6, 30, 1 into 4, 4, 5 into 8, 40, 1 into 7, 7. So overall, if you simplify, you will get the multiplication of these two matrices as this much. Okay. Now let us go for next multiplication, that is row and column multiplication. Okay. So let us start row and column multiplication. Okay. This is very familiar with you. Okay. So this multiplication you have to do in T shape. That means take the first row of the first matrix, multiply with first column of the second matrix element wise. So first I will show like this. So what I did, 3 into 6. That means first row element into first column element in the second matrix, plus second element of the first row into second element of the first column. Okay. So with this, first position is over. Okay. Next, utilize the same first row and apply for second column here. That means 3 into 1, 2 into 7. You have to take addition in between. Next, come down to second row. Okay. So come down to second row. Apply the multiplication in this way. That means take T shape. First element of the second row into first element of the first column in the second matrix. Okay. So 5 into 6, 1 into 4. Okay. Next, apply the same logic for the second column of the second matrix. So 5 into 1, 1 into 7. Okay, 5 into 1, 1 into 7. Okay. So overall the result will be like this. 3 into 6, 18, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 7, 14, 5 into 6, 30, 1 into 4, 4, 5 into 1, 5, 1 into 7, 7. With this, I am going to close my lecture. So please follow my YouTube channel, like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.